Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on hardware virtualization in your BIOS or UEFI so the emulator can use the CPU directly. Once done, install the correct hypervisor. Intel Haxum for Intel systems or the Android emulator hypervisor driver for AMD/Windows. Make sure you pick x86 or x86-64 system images in AVD Manager because those allow native hardware acceleration. This initial setup is the keystone. Without it, the rest will be slow, so do these steps before opening Android Studio again. Now configure your AVD for performance. You should assign multiple CPU cores and ample RAM, but avoid starving your host. 2 to 4 cores and 2 to 8 GB is typical. Then switch graphics to use the host GPU and GLES acceleration, so rendering moves off the CPU. Turn on quick boot snapshots to skip full cold boots and disable unused peripherals like virtual cameras or sensors to reduce overhead. Together, these settings let the emulator behave like a real device without wasting host resources. Finish by keeping all components up to date: the Android emulator, SDK tools, and your GPU drivers. Perform one cold boot so images initialize, then rely on quick boot snapshots going forward. Only wipe data when you need a clean state. If you still experience sluggishness, double-check that virtualization remains enabled. Try the alternative hypervisor, Haxum versus hypervisor driver, and modestly increase RAM or CPU cores, making sure not to starve your host OS. This single chain of actions is what makes the emulator fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.